Hello, welcome to my room. So I'm finally doing a room tour of my room here in my college apartment. People really seemed to like my last room video, which was of my room at home. And that room is still there, it still exists, but this is a different room that I live in when I'm here at school. I didn't really get as much choice with this room because the apartment came furnished, so I had to use the furniture they gave me. Obviously, I got a desk, a chair, and a bed. So, but I think I made it work with the way I decorated. It's definitely a different vibe from my last room, but I'm pretty happy with it. I like it. Also, I don't know if it's completely finished. I feel like with me, I'm always changing things around. I feel like it's never really gonna be fully complete, but this is it for now. Let's get into the tour. Here's a little overview. To the left, when you first walk in, I have this paper lantern lamp because I really don't like overhead lighting, so I kind of wanted another light source. I have this clothing rack that I got on Amazon, and it's literally like screwed into the wall, and I just have like the most random clothes on here right now, but I'll probably switch those out and make them cuter. I kind of want to get like a shoe rack or something so this kind of like display looks a little better, but I don't know, I'm just kind of working with it for now. Here is my bathroom door. I have these hooks and like a little basket thing that I also got on Amazon, and I just have like all my favorite bags on here and also some sunglasses at the top. I like all the different like patterns and textures and colors. I think that looks cute. And then in my bathroom, I also have my closet. So this is my desk area, which I'm not a big fan of the desk itself or the chair, but it came with the apartment, so I kind of just decorated it to make it look cuter. Have this Starry Night poster that is very badly put up on the wall. I got it from the MoMA when I went. I actually really like this little area. I think it's cute. This is an essential oil diffuser that I got from Target. And then I have this random cup with just like pens and highlighters and stuff. This cool vase, which I actually love. I got it on Amazon. I also have this little candle from Target. I want to add a lot more candles because especially at night, it just makes the vibe so much cozier in here. And then I have a bunch of journals. I have the do-it-yourself journal, my actual journal, my dream journal, and then these two kind of random journals there. And on top, I have my adorable Chinese money plant, which is like my favorite plant ever. And then I have my little desk lamp from IKEA, which I actually love this lamp. It's just really simple, but at night, again, it just makes it so much more cozy in here. And then some of my crystals and my laptop. And this desk has no storage, so under the desk, I just have this little basket with like textbooks, notebooks, stuff like that. And this is kind of the ugly office chair, but you know, I just kind of deal with it. I might get a cover or something for it. Next to my desk, I have my favorite part of my room, just these two shelves, but I think they look so good. I got these floating shelves on Amazon, and I really like the color of the wood. On the top, I just put my smiley face hat, some books. I just thrifted this film camera, so I kind of put that there, and then a pothos plant in this little holder from IKEA. As you can see, and especially in my last room tour, I really like decorating with plants, so I have another one here. I actually don't know what this one is, but kind of looks similar to a pothos. Then I have some more books right here, and this pink candle from IKEA, which I just thought was like a cute pop of color. And then I have this lighter, which is just for my candles, but it also was kind of a pop of color. And then my disco ball, which I love. I wish there was direct lighting in my room so it would create like a pretty pattern, but as you can see, my lighting is not great in here. They're actually gonna build a building right next to me, so that will probably block the little light that I have now, so that's really great. So that's the shelf, and then I have my bed. I just have like pretty basic white sheets and everything, and then that throw pillow, which I think is from World Market, but I kind of want to change it just because like it kind of doesn't really match. But low-key, like nothing in my room matches, but I kind of like the whole mismatched vibe in here. Anyways, above my bed I have this Virgo print that I got printed at FedEx, which is in my room at home. I just really like it. I like the colors. And then I got another print from the MoMA. This one's a Matisse painting. And then I have this New York license plate. And I have my window and my not so great view, but it's gonna be even worse when there's an apartment building built right next to me. That's the window. And the really cute construction that wakes me up every morning. Then we have this corner next to my bed, which I really love. I don't know how I feel about that because I just kind of added that random stuff. I have my nice big mirror from IKEA, and I don't know, I thought the black just looked really like clean and it kind of goes with the rug. And I have this palm and this basket here from IKEA as well. And my favorite part here, I have my electric guitar and the stack of books that is just getting bigger. I'm gonna have to start like another pile right there. Like 20 minutes before I started filming, taped these random postcards that I've had on my wall because I kind of wanted to do something with them, but I didn't know what. This is literally so random, but I have a movie ticket from a movie I saw recently, so I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna stay, probably not, because I'm very indecisive. That is my little room here in my college apartment. I'm probably still gonna add some things, change some things around, so I don't know if this is really the finished product, but I'm definitely happy with the way it looks right now. So I don't know, leave me any of your suggestions in the comments of what I can do to make it look better, but at least for now I think I like it. I will try to link everything that I showed that I can in the description box if you're interested in getting anything. All right, see you later, bye.